Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to retouch selfies with AI on Android apps. So if you want to retouch your selfies, you just have to install an application from Play Store app. Just open your Play Store app and here go to search bar and just search for an application named Remini. Just search for it and then you just have to install this application. As you can see, I have already installed it. So just open the app. It will take some moments to open. It may can contain some ad, and here you just have to select the photo you want to edit. So I'm going to edit this one. So you just have to skip the ad first. Just skip it, and then just choose the photo you want to edit. I'm choosing this one, so just tap on it, and then you just have to tap on Enhance, Watch, and Add. Just tap on it, and then you just have to skip the ad first. Just skip the ad and after that you will be able to edit your image. So just keep a long press on it and then scroll it to left or right. As you can see, I have successfully retouched my selfie. You can save this by tapping on this. So just tap here and then your selfie will be saved. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.